load up Flow All 4. From the splash screen, click Use a Mimic, and then we're going to load up Bridge Lights and click OK. The first thing you need to do is hover over it with the mouse and click Show, because we've got two lots of outputs now. So we've got the bridge lights on this side, and then on the other side of the bridge, which will only allow one car at a time over, we've got another set of lights. We're not going to coordinate the lights exactly as they would be for real, because the lights would be on maybe for 30 seconds a minute, and then there would be a delay when no lights were allowing cars to go through before it changed to the others. We're just going to get the sequence of lights. So we're going to start with this side, forget about the other side to begin with. We're going to begin with our start. Then we're going to start with an output. So our output is, we're in number 1, so we're going to turn the red light on. Now, just to make certain that everything else is working, I'm also going to turn the other two off. That way then, if we forget anything, it's only that one light that comes on. So we're turning green off, amber off, and red on. We need that to show for our model just for 1 second. Next then, we're going to put our second output. This time then, for a sequence of lights, we want the red and the amber to be on, and we want the green to be off. Now the green was already off, so we wouldn't really always need to turn it off, but we're going to do that in this case. Again, we're going to delay for 1 second. So next we've got the red and amber on, they need to go off, and the green comes on now. So our output again, we're going to turn the green on, and we're going to turn our other lights off. And we're going to keep it that way again for 1 second. So I'm going to join these up. It's not finished, but let's join them up for now. Remember, always clicking in the middle of the boxes, and you join each of the boxes together. Now if I run this, it will work until it gets to there, then the program will crash because we haven't given the computer any other instructions. But let's run that now. So the red and amber, the green, and then it does crash at that point. If you make a mistake when you're putting any of these together, purple arrow, and we can click on the connectors and press X to remove them. We can click on the output blocks and delay blocks so that we can alter what we've done there. So I'm just going to put that back together there. So the next step then, we've got it going red, red and amber, green. It needs to go back to amber, and then we don't need to tell it to go back to red because we will loop back to the beginning. When you've done that, save this as lights 1, and then you need to build a second program here. So don't delete the first one, build a second program here for the lights on the other side. So when the lights on this side are on red, the lights on the other side are going to be on green.